I'm having a little bit of writer's block. Nothing's coming to mind.
Well, why don't you just sit back and relax a little bit? I'm sure something will just pop up.
Oh, I sure hope so.
So what's your new book about?
I'm writing a horror novel.
Oh, well, take all the time you need.
Thanks.
I was waiting at the bus stop. It was a dark and cold night. No, that's not it. It was a very warm and sunny day out. It was a very sad day in my life. I had just found out that my dad had died. No, it was a very happy day because it was my dad's surprise birthday. I noticed that the bus wasn't on time. I started to get worried. Then a girly man walked up to me. No, that's not right. It was a big man with large something. And what he told me would stay with me forever.
Never smoke some dope?
No, he didn't say that. He said,
I'm gonna hijack the bus!
I got so nervous I knew I had to do something, so I called my grandma.
Hello, Grandma? How's Grandma doing?
I called the police.
911, hello, yes. There's a man who's gonna hijack the bus. Send help now.
The big man must have saw me die. He looked angry. He grabbed me and said,
You wanna have a tickle fight?
No. He said,
Did you fart? It smells.
No, he said,
Who you calling, boy?
I wanted to say the police and tell him that he was going to jail for attempted murder. But instead I said I'm calling
Willy Wonka. Oh, I didn't say so. Shit, boy!
How's the book?
Good, I think.
Well, here's some ideas just in case you want to use them.
Thanks, I'll look at these.
So I looked over the lady's ideas, and let me tell you, she had some brilliant ideas. So I decided to get on the bus, even though the big man was going to hijack it. I figured maybe I could be a hero or something. The bus stopped and picked up an elf, a werewolf, and a giant robot. Sure as I knew it, the big man stood up with a gun. I got really frightened. I asked him,
So, are you telling everybody you're gonna hijack the bus? No. Well, what do you say? I'm super, thanks for asking.
No, he said,